Morning students, this is class 4th maths and we are on unit number 3 large numbers. In my last video I have discussed question number 2 and today we will continue with question number 3 in this video. So let us see what it is. Question number 3, write in figures. You can see the number name of the large numbers are given here and in front of this period blocks are made. So in each period block the places of the digits are mentioned, and so we have to write this number name in this period block. So how we will write this in period block in figures? Let us see one by one. A, 50,000. In thousand period what it is given? 50,000 means 5 10,000 and 0,000. 600, in one's period at 100 place 600 is given, and 27 means 2 tens and 7 ones, 20 plus 7. So how we will write this in this period block? Now first period block is given based on ones period. So ones period 3 places are given, ones, tens and 100. So what is given for this period block? 627. 627 means in 100 place we will write 6, at tens place we will write 2, at ones place we will write 7. So it is 627. Then next period is thousand period. Thousand period block is given here. So what it is given for this? 50,000. 50,000 means 0,000 and 5 10,000. So 50,000 we will write in thousand period. So this is the number in figure for this number name 50,627. B1, 2 lakh. In lakh period 2 lakh is given. 36,000. 36,000 means in thousand period 30,000 and 6,000. 200 at 100 place 2 and 94. 94 means 9 tens and 4 ones. So we will write from right side. In ones period what it is given? 294. So in ones period we will write 294 at all the places as it is mentioned. Then in thousand period what it is given? 36,000. So 1,000 10,000. So 36,000. And then the next period is lakh period. In lakh period 2 lakh is mentioned here. So this you can see this is the lakh period block. Lakh 10 lakh. 10 lakh is not given. In lakh 2 is given. So 2 lakh 36,294. C, 34 lakh. Lakh 10 lakh. 30 lakh plus 4 lakh. 19,000. In thousand period it is given 19,000 10,000 plus 9,000. 500 and 45. 45 means 4 tens and 5 ones. So we will do from ones period 545. So 545. In thousand period what it is given? 19,000. So 19,000. Next period is lakh period. What it is given? 34 lakh. So in lakh period we will write at 10 lakh place we will write 3, and lakh period we will 4. Write 4. So 34 lakh 19,545. D, 7 crore. What it is given? 7 crore. Only crore period is mentioned. In crore period 2 places are there, crore and 10 crore. 10 crore is also not given, only 7 crore is given. So how we will write this? Ones period no digit is given, no place is mentioned, so 0, tens place 0, 100 place 0, 1000 place 0, 10,000 place 0, lakh place 0, 10 lakh place 0. Now this crore period is given. What it is given? 7 crore. So at crore place we will write 7. So this is 7 crore. E. 3 crore. Crore period 3 is given. 91 lakh. In lakh period, lakh, 10 lakh both is given. 90 lakh plus 1 lakh. 52,000 means 1000, 10,000 both is given. 50,000 plus 2,000 both places are given. 118. 118 means 1 tens plus 8 ones. So this is ones period 118. So we will write 118 ones period. After this 1000 period. So what is given in 1000 period? 52,000 means 5 to 52,000. And after 1000 period lakh period is given. So 91 lakh. 91 lakh means 9 lakh, 9, 10 lakh and 1 lakh. 91 lakh. Then crore period 3 is given. So at the place of crore we will write 3. So this is 3 crore 91 lakh 52,118. F. 11 lakh. 11 lakh means lakh, 10 lakh both is it is covered. 10 lakh plus 1 lakh. 11 lakh. 13,000 means 10,000 plus 3,000. And 14. 14 means 1 tens and 4 ones. Now 100 place is missing here. So in ones period 100 place is not given. So 0, tens and ones. 14. Now 1000 place 13,000 means 1, 3. 10,000 plus 3,000. 3,000 and 1 10,000. 13,000 and 11 lakh. So lakh and 10 lakh 1 1 will come. 11 lakh 13,000 and 14. G. 79 lakh. 79 lakh means 70 lakh plus 9 lakh. 8,000. 1000 period 2 places are there. 1,000 and 10,000. So 8,000 means at 1,000 place we will write 8. 300. At 100 place we will write 3 and 1. So tens period is not given here. Ones period it is given. So 301 means 301 it is ones period. After this in 1000 period what it is given? 8,000. 8,000 means at 1000 place we will write 8 and 10,000 is not given, so we will write 0. Then in lakh period what it is given? 79 lakh means lakh and 10 lakh. Lakh period 9 and 10 lakh period 7. 79 lakh 8,301. H. 5 lakh. At lakh place 5. 99,000. 1,000 and 10,000. 99. 90 plus 9. 90,000 plus 9,000. 100 and 89. 89 means 8 tens 9 ones. So we will start from ones period. 189 means 189. 189. The next period is 1000 period. What it is given? 99,000 means 99 and then 5 lakh. Lakh period 5 is given. 599,189. J. I. 38 lakh. 30 lakh plus 8 lakh. 38 lakh. Lakh 10 lakh plus both are given. 754. 754. So 754 will comes in ones period. 754. Now if you will see here, after ones period lakh period is given. 1000 period is missing here. So in 1000 period we will place 0. And then what it is given in lakh period? 38 lakh means 3 10 lakh and 8 lakh 38 lakh and 754. J 60,000 606 means at 100 place 6, tens place is not given 0 and 6 at ones place 606 and 60,000. So 1000 and 10,000 6 0 60,606. K 15,000 1000 and 10,000 10,000 plus 5 15,000 974 974. So 974 ones period and in thousand period 15,000 is given. So 15,974. So students, this was your question number 3. Do practice it, and in my next video we will see question number 4.